Managing multiple projects can feel overwhelming, especially when you're juggling numerous tasks, timelines, and teams. But what if there was a software designed to make multi-project management seamless? In this video, we'll dive into how CoConstruct helps you handle multiple jobs at once with ease, allowing you to stay organized and efficient across all your projects. Stick around till the end because I'll also share how you can use CoConstruct completely free, with some exclusive bonuses that will help you get started right away. When you're managing multiple projects, the key challenge is keeping everything on track without letting things slip through the cracks. CoConstruct simplifies this by providing a centralized platform where you can manage all aspects of your projects in one place. From scheduling to budget tracking, it helps you keep everything under control, no matter how many projects you're handling. The next thing CoConstruct excels at is its ability to manage project communication. With multiple projects on the go, you need clear communication between team members, clients, and subcontractors. CoConstruct lets you send messages, share files, and track conversations within the context of each project. This makes it much easier to avoid miscommunication, saving you time and stress. The fourth thing to consider is how CoConstruct helps you track your budget across multiple projects. Managing finances can be one of the toughest parts of handling multiple jobs, but CoConstruct's built-in budgeting tools let you see your costs in real time. You can compare actual expenses to your planned budget and make adjustments as needed to stay on track financially. Next, CoConstruct scheduling tools are a game changer when it comes to multi-project management. With CoConstruct, you can create detailed project schedules for each job, assign tasks, and set deadlines for everyone involved. And because everything is in one system, you can see how tasks overlap or impact other projects, helping you stay organized without the hassle of switching between different tools. Another thing worth mentioning is the powerful reporting features. CoConstruct generates detailed reports for every aspect of your projects, so you can track progress, analyze performance, and ensure that everything is moving forward according to plan. This is especially useful when you need to give updates to clients or stakeholders, as you can pull comprehensive reports that highlight key metrics for multiple projects at once. Now, let's talk about how you can get started with CoConstruct completely free. By using the first link below, you'll gain access to an extended free trial and some exclusive bonuses that will make managing your multi-project workflow even easier. With these bonuses, you'll be able to test out all the features of CoConstruct without any commitment, giving you a risk-free opportunity to see how it can streamline your projects. If you're managing multiple jobs, CoConstruct is the solution you've been looking for. From scheduling and budgeting to communication and reporting, it gives you all the tools you need to stay on top of your work. Don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial from the first link below.